Ka na ba, AJ?
Opo.
Okay. What letter is this?
B.
What is the sound of B?
B.
Okay. What is this?
Caterpillar.
Caterpillar. Kapag ang caterpillar lumaki na, magiging...
Butterfly.
Okay. Butterfly begins with letter
B.
B. Letter B. Itong caterpillar
Kasi cute.
begin with letter...
G.
What letter is C?
C.
C. What is the sound of C?
G.
Okay, very good. What is this?
Bird.
Bird.
Basa mo yan man muna.
Which animal begin with the sound B?
B. Bird.
How about this one?
Ito naman.
Oh. Which fruits begin with the sound of B?
Banana.
And,
Berry.
okay, which object begins with the sound B?
Basket. And
Bib.
big.
Okay, very good. What is the sound of B?
Bird.
Sound.
B.
Okay. Another one is this. What is this?
Butterfly. Bird. B. B.
What's that? Bug.
Bug. Big boy.
Big. Big ano to? Big. Big bear.
Big boy.
Okay. How about this one? What is this?
Boy.
Bear.
Bug.
Bug.
Banana.
Banana.
Berry.
And what's that?
Blueberry.
Blueberry. How about this? What's this? B. B. Ano yan? Boy. Boy. Then,
Bat.
bat.
Ball.
Ball.
Basket.
Basket.
Banana.
Banana. Very good. How about this one?
Ay, mami. Mami.
What is this?
Mami.
Okay, sabi mo nga, the boy
Boy.
bites
Boy.
banana.
Banana.
The bananas are in the basket. Very good. Okay. What is this? What is this? Ay, what muna ito? Boy,
Bat.
bat,
Ball.
ball. Very good. They all begin with letter
B.
B. Letter B. Sounds of letter B ay? Anong sound ng B? B. Okay, what is this? Bat and? Bat and? Ano yun? Bat and?
Ball.
Ball. Okay, how about this?
Ball.
Boy. Bat and ball.